Hi guys, today we will learn about how to use Arduino PWM pins, which are digital input outputs, and how we can use them to write analog values to our output devices. So for our Arduino and breadboard, we take our Arduino and breadboard. Here you notice our pin number 3, pin number 5, pin number 6, 9, 10 and 11. They are PWM pins, mean you can send pulse with modulated signals to these inputs to write analog values to output devices. So we will start from one LED. We take one resistor. Resistor value we change to 220 ohm. Connect the resistor to the negative of the breadboard. Connect the negative of the breadboard to the ground of the Arduino. So the whole line for this breadboard, these dots have negative connection. Change the color to black to easily identify. Take the resistor value, okay, this anode, connect to pin number 3. So the resistor anode is connected to pin number 3. We can connect to pin number 3, pin number 5, pin number 6 or 9, 10 and 11 to send the pulse width modulated PWM signal. Okay, so we just test our program for one LED first. Okay, why we want to send analog values? Because we want to have continuous signals. Sometimes we want to turn on the output increment value or decrement values, provide the voltage either in increment or decrement. So in our case we just connect the LED. We connect the LED, we see how our analog signals can be sent to our LEDs. Pin mode, we define here variables for LED. Because we want to increase the brightness, we want to send the analog signal to increase the brightness of the LED. Okay, so we use one variable brightness and one variable fade increment INC for the system. Okay, so the increment integer value, the variable value we use here red, which is connected to pin number 3. Integer brightness, whose value is 0, initial value is 0. Integer fade increment is equal to 5. This is the value by which we want to send the increment to the LED. Okay, our pin mode, this is our output, so we just define our pin mode LED, red is our output. Okay, now we want to create the main program in which we want to send the signal, analog signal. So to send the analog values to our outputs, we use analog write. So first of all we will send analog which value brightness. So initially the brightness of the LED is 0. Okay, the purpose here to set the brightness of the LED, set the brightness of the LED, take the loop, increase the brightness to maximum value, then decrease the brightness to maximum value. Okay, so initially when we send the brightness value to the LED using this command, the value of the LED will be 0. So the brightness of the LED will be 0. Okay. Now we want to change, increment the value. Increment the brightness value using fading increment. So we will use our arithmetic instruction that brightness value is equal to plus fade in. So whenever the loop will execute, its value will increase by 5. So in PWM the analog value is from 0 to 255. Okay, 255 is the maximum value, 0 is the minimum value. So every time the loop will execute, the value will increase by 5. Okay, then we create a delay. How fast you want to increase the value, we just put here 2 milliseconds each loop. To see the values either increasing of the voltage, because we are sending the signal through pin number 3 and increasing in every loop by 5. So we can use here a multimeter. The ground of the multimeter connect to the ground of the circuit, and the positive value of the multimeter connect to the positive of the LED. So it will read out what are the values of the voltage. When we start the simulation, you can see the voltage is increasing and the LED voltage is increasing also. The brightness value of the LED is increasing. Then it will go to maximum value. Then it will start again from 0 and increase again. So every time the loop will execute, it will go to maximum value, then initialize from the brightness value 0, and then go to maximum value and have the maximum brightness of the LED. So in this loop we are setting the value in the beginning of 0. But if we want like our brightness go to maximum value, then it go down from maximum to minimum, then go from minimum to maximum, then we can just add in one more instruction here for negative loop. Okay, so for negative loop, so if brightness is 0, this one instruction, when we use equal to sign two times, two equal to signs, we are comparing the values. When we are using equal sign one time only, we are assigning the values. Or this one is OR operator. So this is the instruction, if conditional instruction, if brightness is 0 or if brightness is 255, because before this we are already increasing the value to 5. Okay, to 5. So if brightness is 0 or brightness is equal to 55, what it should do? So we see here, we want to use the decrement value if our brightness is maximum. So we want to loop back from maximum to negative in a sequence of 5. So we assign fade in value is equal to negative fade in. So when we assign this value, it will be negative. It will go from 0 to 255. Then it will start decrement 255 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. Then the brightness level will be increment and decrement from 0 to 255 and 255 to 0. Now we run the code and see in the simulation how our voltage value works. So here we have some error function while loop brightness. Okay, maybe the spellings BRIGHT. Okay. See, so we just make the correction and run. Now you see the voltage value is increasing, brightness is increasing as well, and after it reach the maximum value, which is 4.5, it start decreasing. So it will fade in and fade out. Okay, fade in and fade out. So the voltages will also increase to maximum value and then decrease from maximum to the minimum value. To see more process happening it more slowly, we can increase the delay. Then we start simulation. See, so after half second, value is increasing and the brightness is more slow. Okay, our voltages will increase from 0 volt to 4.5 volt and then decrease from 4.5 to 0 volt. So that's how we work with analog writes command using PWM pins of Arduino. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe our channel as well for latest updates and program for Arduino.